Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. Super Bowl is on this weekend, and if you're hosting, you need some delicious food for your guests, like this one. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my Oven Baked Jalapeño Poppers. Loaded with flavor, these are great to serve as your next dinner party or this coming sporting event. So let's get cooking. In a mixing bowl, we'll add cream cheese as well as sharp cheddar cheese, some cooked bacon, and there's a way I cook them without any mess. So click on the top right corner of your screen to view it. We'll also add chili powder, some ground cumin, smoked paprika, although you can use just regular paprika if you like, then a little bit of garlic powder, as well as finely chopped chives. We'll mix until the ingredients are very well blended and set aside while prepping our jalapeno peppers. So here they are, nicely cleaned up, no ribs and no seeds. And we'll evenly stuff them with our mixture without going overboard, because we'll add more ingredients on top after. When this step is done, we'll cover them with more cheddar cheese. Just a little bit, not too much. Next, in a small bowl, we'll add panko breadcrumbs and about a tablespoon of melted butter. We'll stir these two until well combined before topping off the peppers with this breadcrumb mixture, pressing down gently to adhere. We'll now transfer them to a 400-degree preheated oven and bake for 20 minutes or until the cheese is melted and the top is golden brown. We'll remove from the heat, let them sit for 10 minutes before serving. And my friends, these are our oven-baked jalapeno poppers. With a nice crispy topping, these stuffed peppers are perfect for entertaining. They're easy, plus fairly quick to make, and certainly a crowd pleaser. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!